Healthy routine. On Sunday, Papa takes Gattu and Chinky for jogging early in the morning. Come on, kids. Today we have to jog for at least 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers is nothing, Papa. I can easily jog for 5 kilometers. And I for 10 kilometers.
Oh, then kids, let's see who will finish first today.
Yes, let's go.
Papa, Gattu and Chinky come out of the house and start jogging together. But after jogging for a little distance, both Gattu and Chinky get very tired and sit on a bench and start drinking water. Hey, what happened, kids?
Papa, we are tired. By now we must have covered 2 kilometers, right? Yes, Gattu. What else? 2 kilometers must have been covered easily.
What? Oh, no, kids. Till now, we have only covered 500 meters. Till now, we have not even covered half of our target distance. Hearing Papa's words, Gattu Chinky's head starts spinning.
What? And we are already tired, Papa. Now we will not be able to run anymore. Yes, my legs are also hurting, Papa.
What? Alright, kids, then cover at least 1 kilometer. Let's go.
No, Papa. We will have to come back too. We cannot do it now. Yes, Gattu is right.
Oh, this is really very wrong, kids. How did you both get tired so quickly? Well, okay, then it's fine. We'll go back home now. Now Papa has to return home early because Gattu Chinky are tired. Mummy was waiting for everyone at home.
Hey, I didn't think you all will come back so soon.
Look at Gattu Chinky. They got tired after jogging for just 500 meters. Mummy gets surprised after hearing Papa's words.
What? That's it? You both are kids, and kids are much more active than adults. You should have done double jogging than Papa.
I feel that all this is because of their bad diet.
Yes, you're right. Last night also, both of them insisted on eating pizza for dinner. And nowadays, both of them don't even go out to play after doing their homework. They remain busy playing video games at home.
Yes, this is the only reason for them getting tired so quickly. Eating outside food and not doing any exercise at all. Gattu Chinky were quietly listening to Mummy Papa's scolding.
Okay, Papa. From now we will not eat outside food at all.
Yes, Papa. That's not all, kids. Now I will make a special healthy routine for you, in which I will make all three of you drink healthy juices every morning. And the rest of the day you will have to eat healthy food. Junk food only once a week.
Hearing Mummy's words, Gattu Chinky are surprised. Then Mummy goes to the kitchen and comes out with a green colored juice in her hand. Seeing this, Gattu Chinky gets scared.
Here, kids. Today also I have made juice. Drink this.
What is this juice made of, Mummy? This does not look good at all, Mummy.
Kids, this is my special recipe. This is spinach juice and it is very healthy. And it is also very good to drink. At least drink it and see. And here you go. You also drink it.
What? I will also have to drink it.
Yes, of course. Everyone has to drink it.
Gattu Chinky pick up the glass with fear. But they were scared just by seeing that green spinach juice.
How will we drink this, Chinky? Its smell is also not good. Now we will have to drink it, Gattu. Mummy will not let us go like this.
Gattu Chinky see that Papa drinks the whole juice in one go.
What is this, Papa? You drank it in one go. Is it really that good?
No, Gattu. Its taste is not good. But I know that it is very beneficial. That is why I drank it thinking it to be a medicine. You people also drink it. Papa says this and then leaves from there because he was getting late for office. Here Gattu and Chinky start thinking.
Gattu, Papa drank this juice so easily. I'm sure it won't be that bad. Yes, Chinky. Come on, let us also drink it.
Gattu Chinky, whatever happens, don't stop in the middle. Finish it in one go.
Okay, Mummy.
As Gattu Chinky take a sip of juice, they find it tastes very bad. But because they were standing in front of Mummy, they finish it in one go.
Mummy, this was not good at all. Yes, Mummy, it was very bad.
Very good, kids. Come, now both of you have breakfast. I have made healthy sandwiches with cucumber and brown bread.
Gattu and Chinky get ready for school after eating those sandwiches. And they go to school. Mummy had also given them salad in their tiffin.
Oh no, Chinky. Now mummy is going to make us follow her healthy routine for sure. She gave us salad for tiffin. I am sure when we go home, we will have something healthy for lunch too.
Yes, and it will not taste good at all.
But what can we do, Chinky? We have to go home and we have to have lunch too.
Then Gattu and Chinky return home after school. And Mummy gets happy seeing them and then she says,
Come on, kids. Wash your hands and face quickly. Lunch is ready.
But Gattu Chinky were not excited for lunch at all. They get sad and sit on the dining table.
Hey, kids. What happened? Why are you so sad? You are still going to feed us something healthy, mummy. Yes, kids. That is important now.
But mummy, it doesn't taste good at all.
But kids, I have made your favorite idli sambar for lunch.
Gattu Chinky get very happy after hearing this.
What? Idli sambar? Wow, mummy.
Yes, kids, here it is.
Mummy serves hot idli sambar to both of them.
But mummy, why are you feeding us this? We thought you would follow a healthy routine. So kids, this idli sambar is very healthy. This sambar has a lot of mixed vegetables and idli is also made of rice. It is quite healthy. If we try, we can also get healthy food with taste too.
Mummy, this is very yummy.
Wow, mummy, your healthy routine is very good. Yes, kids, but you will have to drink juice in the morning and eat salad in your tiffin. Then I will feed you yummy things for lunch, which will be healthy too.
Okay, mummy, deal. Yummy.
Then at night, Mummy makes paneer dosa and sambar for everyone. And everyone finds it really yummy. Not only this, Mummy also feeds everyone hot milk after dinner.
Today was a very healthy day, mummy. Right, Gattu. And now we will spend every day eating healthy food like this. And tomorrow morning, I will feed you all fresh fruits with juice. Today evening, I bought some from the market.
I like fruits very much, mummy.
Yes, Chinky dear. And they are much better than chocolates. Whenever you feel like eating a chocolate, you can eat fruits instead.
Okay, Papa.
This is how Mummy makes everyone follow her healthy routine very well.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.